Series 6-in-1 laser system. One machine, 6 functions. 1,200 watt CNC fiber laser cutting. Effortlessly cuts various metal materials. Cuts up to 10 millimeters carbon steel and 6 millimeters stainless steel. Precision up to 0.02 millimeters. Precision processing, just the way you want it. One-click nesting plus shared edge cutting. Boosts efficiency by 70%. Automatic edge finder. Intelligent flowing cutting. Micro jointing. Adjustable lift platform plus rotary attachment. Extra thick materials and cylinder pipe processing. Pass-through design. Handles full-size sheets up to 54-inch width for complete processing. Autonomous obstacle avoidance for safer operation. Modular design. Easy to operate and user-friendly. Fiber laser welding. Aerospace grade 0.1 millimeters weld seam technology. Over 5 times faster than traditional TIG welding. Safe and strong welding even underwater. Clean, strong welds with high efficiency. Fiber laser clean. Efficiently removes grease and oxidation from metal surfaces. Handheld fiber laser cutting. Tackles complex cutting environments with ease. 130 watts carbon dioxide laser for non-metal cutting. Cuts up to 25 millimeters. Ideal for wood, leather, acrylic, and more. Seamless fusion of creativity and function. Carbon dioxide laser engraving. Unlock boundless creativity with powerful engraving. Small footprint, big capabilities, perfect for tight spaces. Gweike M Series 6-in-1 laser system. All you need, no extra feed. Is there a CNC machine that can cut metal, cut non-metal, and weld? Now Gweike launches the world's first M Series 6-in-1 laser system. One machine, 6 functions. 1,200 watt CNC fiber laser cutting. Effortlessly cuts various metal materials. Cuts up to 10 millimeters carbon steel and 6 millimeters stainless steel. Precision up to 0.02 millimeters. Precision processing, just the way you want it. One-click nesting plus shared edge cutting. Boosts efficiency by 70%. Automatic edge finder. Intelligent flowing cutting. Micro jointing. Adjustable lift platform plus rotary attachment. Extra thick materials and cylinder pipe processing. Pass-through design. Handles full-size sheets up to 54-inch width for complete processing. Autonomous obstacle avoidance for safer operation. Modular design. Easy to operate and user-friendly. Fiber laser welding. Aerospace grade 0.1 millimeters weld seam technology. Over 5 times faster than traditional TIG welding. Safe and strong welding even underwater. Clean, strong welds with high efficiency. Fiber laser clean. Efficiently removes grease and oxidation from metal surfaces. Handheld fiber laser cutting. Tackles complex cutting environments with ease. 130 watts carbon dioxide laser for non-metal cutting. Cuts up to 25 millimeters. Ideal for wood, leather, acrylic, and more. Seamless fusion of creativity
Hello everyone,
and function.
welcome to
Carbon
Gweike
dioxide
channel.
laser engraving.
And today we will
boundless
give you a
creativity with
live
powerful
training session
engraving.
for the Gweike M series.
Small
So
footprint,
whether you are a
big
new operator
capabilities,
or just
perfect
looking
tight
for a
spaces.
refresher, I believe
Gweike
this session will
M-Series
guide you
6-in-1
through
laser
from the
system.
essential steps,
All you need,
from
no
unboxing
extra
to
feed.
like make your first cut. So my name is
Is there a
Olivia. This
CNC
is our
machine that can
senior
cut
engineer
metal,
and
cut
product designer,
non-metal,
John.
and weld?
Hello everyone.
So today together
Now
we will
Gweike
give you
launches
like
the
a whole
world's
beginner's
first
guide,
M-Series 6-in-1
very
laser
complete
system.
guide to operate your
One
new
machine,
Gweike M
6
series.
functions.
So right behind me is our Gweike M3 Ultra. So this is
1,200
a
watt CNC fiber laser
1,200 watt fiber laser
effortlessly
plus
cuts
a
various metal
130 watt
materials.
CO2 laser.
Cuts up to
We'll
10
use this
millimeters
machine
carbon
as a demo
steel and
unit.
6 millimeters stainless
so
steel.
let's quickly run through the agenda for today's training session. You can see from here, I believe. The training session today will start from like a machine components introduction, and then we'll introduce about the electrical and gas connection, and also show you the power on and the power off sequence, and then we'll set up the air compressor and show you the real-time like setting up process. And next will be like to prepare your first cut. Yeah. From like how to set the focus, how to choose nozzle, and also how to use the software to import and design your graphics. And also next we'll change to the like handheld operation mode to show you some handheld cleaning, cutting and welding operations and precautions. And then we'll give you some maintenance tips and also like some common troubleshooting tips. I believe this will be enough for you to learn from this machine at the beginning.
Yes.
Yeah. And in addition, we will select the winner of this M1200 watt welder. So we have been holding this activity for like 3 months. We have collected so many emails from you guys, and this time we'll do a lucky draw game at the end of this live stream to select one winner who will get this welding machine. Okay, so feel free to like drop any comments and questions in the comment during this whole live streaming session, and we will answer your questions in the comment. And also, if time allows, I think we will give you a dedicated Q&A session at the end of this live stream. So now let's get started from the machine components.
Okay.
So after you receive the machine, the first thing you will do is to check the package and then unload it to a safe and level ground. So this is what you can get. First is a like large CNC machine. If you have the M3 series, including M3 Pro or Ultra or Max, you will get the CO2 laser already mounted on it, and also a CO2 laser tube and a water chiller built inside, and also exhaust fan. And if you don't have the M3 series, you order the M2 or M2 Pro, M2 Max, M2 Ultra, you won't have to have the CO2 laser module in it, and also the CO2 laser tube and the water chiller. So beside it, you will get a like a fiber laser source. It's also a 3-in-1 welder. It can be like a powered independently from the CNC machine. So you can take the fiber laser gun to use it for handheld welding, cutting, and cleaning. So this is a weld feeder. It comes with the welding machine. Don't need extra purchase. So let me show you the back of this machine here. So on the back, you could see like several like component cabinets. So the far right over here is the exhaust fan, and this one is a water chiller built in. So here you can just like open, twist off the here and add like a distilled water or like the denoised water into this water inlet, and then this is the level for you to read. You have to make sure the water level meet the green area. So this is a safe operation precautions. So this is something like the main components of this machine. Beside it, you will receive some like tools and also accessories along with the machine. And I will not like list all the materials here on site, but you will get all of them inside the CNC bed when you receive the package. Okay. So next, I think we should get to setting the electrical connection about this machine. It's not yet open.
Okay, let me introduce the electrical connection. All the devices for this machine, power is 220.
Yeah, we are using 220.
Yes,
in
one
China.
phase 220.
Yeah, single phase like 220. But like for American, you will definitely change for a different like the electrical operations. For example, I think American is like 220 watt and three phase.
Yes.
We can show you the electrical diagrams over here, so you can see.
Yes, this is the diagram for the American market and some other countries maybe. And all the devices need 220 watt. So for this diagram, we need two line, two line to connect to line one to the regulator, line one, and the line two to the Newton terminal. That's we can get 220. Sorry.
Yeah.
So this is diagram only for the three phases 220, and other countries maybe 300. Three phases 380.
80 volts. So
Yeah, so we have all the details diagram. If you want, when you get the machine, you can ask our team to get the diagram.
yeah, we will also have that in the menu. So you will receive the menu, the paper menu with the machine, I think. And so this is you got like so many options, but always make sure to turn off the main switch when you do the electrical connection. I think it's very
Yes, it's very important because every time and the safety is first.
Yes,
Remember
so make
this.
sure to safety operation. So if you are not sure whether you can do it, you will definitely need to seek for like a professional electrician's help, or you can seek for our helps. We have like a free online like after sales team. We can give you some video introduction or like a guidance through WhatsApp tip if you ask for help from us. Also, you can ask for like a paid installation service from us. So this is like all your options.
Yeah, so you want our engineer in your site. It's very easier to install your machine, but it's not free.
Yeah, but you can ask for an online service as well, so it will be very detailed also. So after setting up the gas, what's the next step?
Okay, for the gas, let me introduce the gas.
Yeah, so electric and then gas.
Yes, and for carting, we need the oxygen, nitrogen. Sometimes we need compressed air.
Yes.
For this machine, many customers using the compressed air because compressed is cheaper for other than nitrogen.
Yes, very economic options in the long term.
Yes, yes. Let me show you how to connect the pipers.
Okay.
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 And please follow me.
So for different like gas, they will have a different like gas inlet.
Yes, for this machine, there are 2 points for the gas connection. One is oxygen, and another one is for nitrogen. Oxygen, sometimes we need to cut carbon steel and the big thickness. And nitrogen, when you want to cut the stainless aluminum or copper, we need to use nitrogen. Sometimes we can use this point also connected to the compressor air. And nitrogen, because this machine, there is one welding machine. For welding machine, we need the nitrogen. Nitrogen, this is nitrogen for welding. That's the output, and you need master adjuster the pressure. For welding machine, we need lower pressure, just 2 bars enough. Okay, this is the piper to the welding machine. I will show you how to connect it. This is welding machine. This is the port to connect the piper nitrogen. And this one is earth ground cable. Later I will show you.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the gas connection.
Yeah.
And
so this is for like all the like external. For internal, we also have some gas channels. I think it's near the laser head module, but we will show you later. I think next we're gonna setting up the air compressor.
Okay.
Okay.
And many customers using the compressor, and for compressor, I show you how to turn this up. No, sorry. We need to
Oh, yeah, we
electric
have
power
to-
on first.
Yeah, we have to turn on
Yeah.
the power first. So we can show
Sorry,
you the
all
power
the
on
devices
sequence.
off now, and we forget to power on first.
Yeah, let's start to power
Yeah.
on from the mid switch.
Follow me again.
Yeah.
This is the main power, and this is the main switch. Just switch on, and all the different switch to connect different device. Compressor, welding machine, CNC machine. Just put it on. Like this. This is one compressor directly connected to this switch, and the next device is voltage regulator. Just put it on. Now we just waiting about 3 seconds. We get the voltage. 220 is correct. And the CNC machine switch here. And the chiller power switch is here. This is on. We keep it on.
So next
And
we're
for the
gonna do
next
the
welding machine.
Yeah, the welding machine.
here. Just put it on.
although we call it welding machine, but it actually the fabricator source for the whole machine, for the whole M series, right?
Yeah. Okay, now we power we switch the switch on, but no power here. Why? Because here there is the emergency button.
Yeah.
Just to follow the direction like
release
this,
it,
release it, and we need the key switch here.
Yeah, just turn it a little bit, or just
Yeah,
turn on the machine.
yeah. You see it's powered on. For the CC machine, it's same. Emergency release, emergency stop, and the key switch.
Yeah. So you will see this two button is already light on.
Yes, one is for chiller power. It's for to cooling the CO2 laser tubing.
Yes, and the other is for this for CO2 laser, the CO2 chiller. But
Yeah.
why is this one is not on?
Yeah, this switch is for the during carting. Some smoke can happen, and we need exhaust out, so we need this. But it's on much noise. Let me show you.
Yeah, this is kind of like a noise by the exhaust fan.
Yes, that is why not automatically on.
Okay.
Just during carting, you need it and put it on.
That makes sense because for like a normal like a thin metal cutting, you don't need to turn on the fan.
Yeah.
You don't have smoke or other things. It's mainly for like a CO2 laser, like wood engraving cutting. I think. Yeah.
Okay, I think next it's a compressor.
Yeah,
Just
let's
now
get to the
is
compressor.
Okay, for compressor, this is already on, and I show you how to put it on again. This switch is for dryer. We need to put it on, like this. And here it's showing the temperature. For example, at the beginning, one day in the morning, you put it on. This is about 15 or 16, not cooling down. After power on, and
Wait for the
when this indicator stop, and the temperature will drop down.
So now it's like raising up. So raise up to 9 or 10 will stop and then drop down.
Yes. Inflation means the cooling system doesn't working.
Okay.
Doesn't work. It is stop. That means cooling system working,
Okay.
and the temperature will drop down.
But it's like a,
Now it is stopped. This temperature.
yeah, it's stopped right now. I think.
Yeah, it should drop down. Yeah, you see?
Yes, starting
Yes.
drop down. So drop down to 3 or 2.
Yes, sometimes the requirement may be 1.5 or 2,
Uh-huh.
but 5, 6, 8, no problem.
No problem.
Yes. The next step, we released this emergency dog. Now, this one, we get the dialog. Uh, this is just a power on. Does it mean it's working?
Uh-huh.
So we need start the device.
So after start, it's all set down.
Yeah. How to start is touch screen like this.
Oh, I can hear the sound. It's
Yes.
working.
Now this compressor working now.
Yeah. Because it's we'll just open it, the noise will be a little bit loud. But
Yeah.
after it's getting like the average like pressure, I think it will be not as this loud, right?
This automatically we can set the pressure if if the pumper sorry, if the pressure lower than 1.4 working more than 1.4 low. And how to stop it? Okay, let's stop. In this spring, you can get the pressure here. That means the pressure in the tank.
Yeah. So little tips here is that you don't want to like open it and turn it down immediately. You have to wait for like up to 20
Yeah,
seconds,
yes. So
right?
every time if you start it, you want to stop it immediately. No, you must wait at least 20 minutes.
20
Oh, sorry,
seconds.
20
Yeah,
seconds.
20
20
seconds.
seconds.
So what about like the setup, the installation of this machine? I think some customers have asked us like where is the muffler? Like it's actually inside the sheet metal. So you can open the sheet metal and find it very easily and install it over here, I think.
Yes, for the device
Muffler.
muffler. This part, only this part we need to install. Just put it from this machine and put it here and screw using the tooling, screwing.
Yeah.
And other things we need to install the piper to the machine.
Yeah, it's the
Now I turned it off, and it is very easy.
wet pipe. Yeah.
Yes, just to insert. It's a quick connection.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
This is the pump switch, and at this position, it's on, right?
Yes, this direction means on,
Okay.
means open.
Yeah.
This direction means
It's
off,
off.
close.
Right.
Now we opened it.
Yes.
Later we need this.
So this is fully air compressor and also the electrical and everything is setting up. So I think
No, you forget one thing. We need to introduce the piper in the cutting head.
yes, right. So let's show you the like internal gas channel. Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
So this is the laser module head you can see over here. So this is like from the CO2 laser over here and also the fiber laser over here. You can see like there are several tubes connecting it. For the CO2 laser, there is a black tube connecting it. It's like already like set up when you receive the machine.
Yes. For the white one, you need to install it yourself.
Yeah.
When you get the machine, you can find this piper in the spare part, and we need to insert here because this one is already done, and I show you how to insert. It's very easy. It's quick connection like this, and the other end to the cutting head like this.
Yeah.
All the connection is a quick connect.
Mhm.
It's very easy.
It's very easy.
Yes. Another one you can find this one. This is the black one.
It's unconnected. Yeah.
Yes, it connect nothing because this is for welding.
Mhm.
So when you use welding and can remove this one and insert here.
Because you can see the tube here is much more like smaller than the white tube and even more like softer. Because cutting and welding, they need like different pressure.
Yeah.
That's also something you need to pay attention to when you change from cutting mode to welding mode. Yeah.
Let me explain. So this black one for the CO2 cutting. This one is compression air.
Compressor.
Yes, but this is different compressor. There is one smaller air pump
Inside the machine.
inside the machine,
Yeah.
and it can supply the compressor air to the CO2 laser cutting.
So it's not connected to the gas tank we have showed you or the air compressor. It's actually the air pump supplies the CO2 lasers air for like air essays to remove the dust when you are doing the CO2 engraving or cutting. Yeah. So now I think we are ready to like use the software. But first we need to connect the machine to the software.
Yes, before introduce the software using, and we must connect a CO2 sensing machine to the laptop.
Yes.
And how to connect? We need this network cable.
Yeah.
As this end, we connect it to here, and another end here. It's very easy, but we need to set the IP. How to set the IP? Later, I show you.
Okay.
It's automatic.
Yeah, we'll show you the open the software right now. You can see from our screen.
Okay, this message means now is all the device should be connected to the software. All the device powered on, so just click OK.
And also it will go to the origin.
Yes.
You have to make sure everything is clean on the sensing bed when you click the OK, because otherwise the laser head will bump into the material.
Yes, yes. You need to clean up your working table.
Yeah.
Just click OK, and
You will see it's like a moving to the origin, which is at the left corner. Okay, and then it will stop. Yeah.
yes, just now we forget the one thing because this software already connected. We test all many days, and just now we insert the network cable, and we didn't set the IP, and
Yes.
now I show you how to set IP. Just click Advanced. You see here, set IP. Just click here, the IP set down. That means this is automatic.
Yeah. So even if it's your first use, it's also pumping into this window. So you don't worry. You don't need actual like parameters or other code to set this IP. It will be automatic.
It's just now I set IP again, so we need to do back orange again.
Yeah. Okay. So
It's already done.
it's already done. And what's the next step? I think one important part we forgot to connect is this like this controller. So this is a remote controller. When you first receive it, you actually make sure that there's battery. It will need like a 3A battery inside. So after you install the battery, you can connect this with your software.
Yes, I think we need to open it to show the details because sometimes many questions.
Yeah.
Yes, this is the scroll. Open it. There is the three
AA battery.
AA battery inside, and put the battery inside. It's okay. And this is the Prytech cover. Okay, and another device is the wireless
USB receiver.
Yes,
More like
this device. You can find when you get this machine.
Yeah, it's also one of the accessories you will receive.
This means as USB receiver. Just put it into the
Your
USB.
laptop,
Yes.
and then you will go to the software screen.
Now,
It will show you the steps.
yes, and can you for this one, advanced here, remote match. Just click it. It is automatically to match. And now we can go to the machine to test the handle controller.
Yeah, whether it's connected.
Yeah.
How do we find out?
Yes, just do something. Okay, this small one, that means the handle controller connected. Okay, now I think we should introduce the handle controller, some functions, and
And maybe some like some keys that are most often used. Like for example, this shutter one. I know this one.
yes,
It's to control whether there's a laser can be like released or not.
yes, for shutter only for the fiber leader.
Only for the
Only for the fiber leader. We need to do this is shutter on. That means the leader source standby, and off. That means the leader source is
turn off.
Off.
Yeah.
Yes, and blue means we need the gas for carting. So before carting, we need to confirm the gas is okay. It's already been done.
So it's testing
Yes.
whether the gas
Yeah.
connected into the channel, whether it's is a very like clean channel.
And another one is frame we often using. This means when we open one drawing and we want to know where is the part in the plant, in the material. That means the cutting area.
Yeah.
So we can do frame, and the cutting head we are doing. We'll give you the frame of the part.
So you will know what's the graphic in your software will be the actual size on your workpiece.
Yes. This is the star,
Pause
pause,
and stop. So it's very easy. And
But another board is very important is calibration.
so we need like two cases, like two compound case. This one plus this one, right?
Yes, yes. Let me show you how it is working.
So you have to move to the appropriate position where there is a metal beneath the fiber laser head, right?
Yes, you must confirm the materials is already under the cutting head.
Yeah.
So you move the cutting head to the up of the material. So I show you how it is working. Press this one first and this one.
So you will see that the fiber laser head is moved down, and then when it touch the material, it will raise up. So this is why you need a material beneath it. Otherwise, it will just like lower down continually until it crash, right?
What? Yes. Okay. The next one, I think this direction
Yeah.
button. It's very easy to understand. This is forward, backward, left,
Right.
right, and this is Z down.
For the Z-axis, it's actually to control the height of this laser head.
Yes, up. But there is W. W means working table. We need two board. Put this first and press this. You see the work table moving down.
Yeah.
And the plus means up.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, this is the main functions
This is the
of
main
the
function.
yeah.
So after you use it, you can simply attach it anywhere on the machine. So this way you won't lose it. It's magnet.
Yes.
Yeah. So next, I think we are ready to set up the graphic and also the parameters in the software.
Okay. The next step, we want to introduce the software and cutting ingredient with different leader source and fiber leader and CO2 leader.
Yeah, since it's M3 Ultra, you get like both laser source. And let's start from fiber laser, I think.
Okay. We can
Where do we choose a fiber laser?
You can see here, you just click fiber laser.
You will play a window to
Yes, you
suggest.
confirm the fiber laser already connected.
Yes.
Just okay. Now, we want to test the cutting first.
Yes, let's start by cutting.
Yes. Now, if you have the drawing already, you can just click start and just open, and we have the drawing here.
You can also do the drawings and design also add some text or letters in this software.
Yes,
Yeah, it's very easy to use.
Yes, later I will show you. I just open this one. Just open. Now we get this drawing. If you want to make one drawing, you can just click here, draw, and for
There are
example,
different like shapes.
yes. Now you can this one like this. It's just like auto shading.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
Yeah, very easy.
Now we already have the drawing. We don't use this one.
Just
We
delete.
can just delete. Yeah. And here, this bonding, you see, select it. That means if you put it on, turn it on, that means you must, before cutting, you must select the part you want to cut.
Yeah. So it will only cut the part you selected.
Yeah, yes. If it is off, that means all the parts will be cut in the drawing.
Yes.
So for testing, sometimes we select it on. Okay, now we open the drawing. Next step, we need to adjust the parameter. We give it this parameter before cutting. This is layer. This is the dialog for the parameter setting. And actually, we have already we have the parameters in your USB disk.
Yeah, you will receive some like testing parameters we have already prepared for you.
Yes. And now just input your parameters.
For this time, we are using a stainless steel, I think.
Yes.
Cutting.
So first, we should. This is 1,200 liter sauce, and the stringless. We want to cut one stringless part. Stringless. The second is 2, and we select this one. You see the parameter named by the different characters.
Yeah, SS stands by stainless steel.
Yes.
That.
And 2 mm means the thickness
of the material.
Yes. 2.0S means the type of nozzle.
Yeah. Later we will show you how you can identify which type of nozzle you are using.
Okay. F0 means the focus position. Later I show you how to set the focus position.
Yeah.
You just select it and
select it
and open. Now we get continue, and now we get the parameter here.
So there's something.
Yes, this is the cutting height and cutting speed, and very important here, gas type. Gas type, there is many items, but you must choose the high nitrogen because we want to cut the stringless. Stringless we use in nitrogen or compressor air. But if you want to use the compressor, you also must need to choose high nitrogen. Because high nitrogen just means the pipe weight.
Yeah, it means like which inlet you are using.
Yes.
It's more about like the gas channel you are choosing.
Yes.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah.
You're using the nitrogen or compressor air for cutting, you must choose high nitrogen, this one.
Yeah. And if you're cutting like a carbon steel, you can use the high
low
yeah,
oxygen.
Yeah, low oxygen.
Yes,
Yeah.
this one.
So this like two types for like a fabricator cutting. Yeah.
So now we import the parameter now and just click OK. And this one selected, it's on. So before cutting, we need to select the part.
And then we are ready to see the process over here.
Now, I will show you the nozzle. Because different material and different parameter. Different parameter means we can use different type of nozzle. This is, show this.
You can see the letter.
Yeah, here. S 2.0.
It means
maybe this.
S means like a single layer, right?
Yes, it is single layer.
We also have like double layer ones.
Double. If you want to cut the carbon steel, we use the double type. And 2.0 means the diameter of this side.
Yeah.
So now we install it. Oh, sorry.
So like for this like a kind of like thin and medium thickness, this kind of nozzle is the perfect for cutting the. Okay.
So the next, I think I show you how to set the focus position.
Yeah, we can just move the material here.
Okay. We loosen this, and you can see here. Sorry. There is mark here from -10 to +10, and this is the 0. Now we need to use the 0 position. So we need just like this end to the 0. Okay, and tighten. Okay, we finished the nozzle change and the focus position.
You can see the mark very clear over here. So F0 means like the 0 means the upper edge, the lower edge of this like thing. Okay.
So next step, this is the material we want to cut, and because we changed the nozzle and we get the focus position manually, so before cutting we need to do calibration.
So this is to like making the system to understand the distance between the laser head and the material.
Yes, the distance between the material and the nozzle. Because the parameter we already set is the cut height.
Yeah.
Okay, before cutting, we must confirm.
Yeah.
This is below for confirm the gas is already done.
You can hear the sound and confirm. Yeah, this sound is okay.
Okay. And now the frame. It means this is a cutting arrow.
So.
And before cutting, we must turn the shutter on. And now we can do cutting directly.
Yeah, it's already cut.
Yes, and we move the axis up and move other sides. Oh, we get it. Okay, about the parameter.
Yeah.
If you want to cut different thickness and you want to get the perfect parameter, you can ask our service team.
Yeah.
We will adjust your parameter online.
Yeah. We also will give you like a parameter reference table so you can refer to. If you have like other needs, we'll support you. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Next, I think in
About
engraving.
marking,
Mm.
like
It's
marking
marking,
and
yes.
engraving. So it's not doing like a different depths engraving. It's more like to do like surface marking for the fiber laser.
Mhm.
Yeah. But
Okay.
for CO2 laser, the engraving will be a little bit different, but we'll show later.
Yes, yes. And for engraving or marking, I just same as carting, we open the drawing if you have already. We have the drawing for testing. This one.
Yeah, let's use this one, our logo.
Okay, now we open this drawing. In this drawing, there is a engraving part, this one. And this arrow, we need to cut it off. So it is different. It is including engraving and cutting.
So like two tags at one time.
Yeah. And before,
How do we set the parameter for that?
yes, we need to edit this drawing again. Select this arrow because this arrow we want to get the engraving, not cut off. So select it all. And here, engraving here. This is for engraving parameter setting. Based on the experience, this parameter is okay. Just click OK. When you get the machine, this parameter already there.
Yeah.
So you don't need to change.
Yes.
If you want to change, we cannot get the better perfect result, so we can discuss this parameter
Yeah, you
again.
can adjust a little bit.
Yeah. Click OK. Now we get
Yeah.
this. And you see, this is different color with this one. That means engraving. And this one, select.
Also
Yes,
needs set parameters.
we select this part, and here we can give the parameter for engraving. I show you again. Select it first and click here.
Engrave.
It's different color layer. It's just
Also
click.
layer, but like different layer.
Yes, different. You see here is two layer. Layer 1 means cutting. Layer 7 means engrave. Now we select engrave and we can give the parameter. For engraving, we must using the fixed height to cut. Actually, this is cutting process, but we don't want it cut off. So this is we use the fixed height cutting parameter. And here the cutting head we need the not too close to the material because the reflection to the lens. So we need the big distance. But this term the maximum is 5. So now we just put the 5.
Yeah, this is okay.
Yeah, this is okay. And for cutting speed, for engraving, we need more faster. It doesn't matter because we don't want it cut off, just the marking.
Yeah.
So we can set 30.
Usually the speed will affect the power a little bit. Sometimes if you use the same power but like a different speed, the low speed will have a better cutting effect, but the fast speed will have a not very ideal cutting effect.
It's for cutting,
Yeah,
the
but for
speed.
marking, the speed will be faster, better, I think.
For marking, the speed fast, no problem, because we don't want it cut off. But for cutting, this parameter is very important because we need to the part cut off and we need to get the better cutting result surface.
Yeah, so for engraving or marking, this doesn't matter so much.
And now it's very important for the cut power. For engraving or marking, based on our experience, we need just to reduce the power because we don't want it off. So this machine is 1,200
watts.
Yes.
So
Now
you use 8% of power will be enough for leaf marks. Yeah.
The frame casing 5,000. Okay. The peak current 100. Okay. And the gas type same. This is stringless. We want to engrave stringless material. Now we need to choose the high nitrogen.
Yeah.
This is pi away. not gas type.
Yeah, this is the pipe inlet you are choosing.
Yes, that means this parameter means gas type, different gas type to the cutting head with different pipe weight. So this parameter setting means the pipe weight, different pipe weight. You can use nitrogen, and you can use the compressor air.
You just need to select the same.
Yeah.
For the same gas inlet.
Yes,
Okay?
this is for ingrain, and another one is layer one. This is for cutting, and engraving already done. I show you. It's easy understand. Select it, and now this is becomes to layer one. Now open it. Now it's the layer one. You also can adjust the parameter in this dialog. You can adjust layer one, layer two, many different layers. Now we need to get the layer one. This is the 2mm stainless, so we need to use the standard cutting parameter. And the cutting head 0.3. This parameter already be adjusted, and you can just import from here and from the USB disk.
Yes.
Yes, this one. Just open. It's okay. So all the parameter already done, and now just click OK. And we also need to select all the parts here. Okay, now we need to.
Now we can select this and start to see the option over here.
Yes. Okay, this time we don't need to calibrate again because the same material and the same, we didn't change anything. But
only if you change the material and thickness, you have to redo the calibration.
Yes. Now it's the frame again. It's just too big.
We can adjust
take
the
more
size.
time.
Now, we can adjust the size a little bit over here.
Yes. We want to smaller one. It's a size.
Size, you can make it 7%.
I think 50.
50.
50. And now, okay, we can simulation. Do a simulation here. And now this simulation, and we can get the total time here.
Okay.
And okay, we just want to get the time.
Yes, 3 minutes is enough, I think.
Yes, 3 minutes. But this one not. This is just after calculation, not an exact.
Not very accurate, but it will give you a brief idea about this. So
just
we can stop.
Yeah.
And over here, right here, you can see the panel. So you can control all the options, all the functions in the software as well, including the movement, the shutters. Yeah. But I think the remote controller is easier to use. Okay.
Okay. We back to the working table.
And the frame again.
So a frame again. Now it's smaller.
Yeah, smaller.
And confirm the gas and to confirm the shutter. Confirm the shutter. It's on.
Yeah.
I already pressed. It's on now.
Yeah, it's on. It's on right now.
Okay. And just press start.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's take some questions from our customers. We have received some questions about the maintenance of this Gweike M series. So there will be like daily and weekly and also monthly and yearly maintenance. So for daily, I think it will be pretty easy. You can check whether the cutting head and the lens and the nozzles are like working normal and no cracks and no damage. And also always to move your lead head back to the origin. It will be like most efficient to do.
Yes, for the mountainous, and I think this document, we have the document, and we have the list from day, week, and 3 months or a half year. And I think because every time, every customer when gets the machine, our sales manager will correct one chat group. And in the chat group, we will share this document. And you can follow the document to check every day, every month, every week.
Yeah, but we'll give you some brief ideas about like for like if you have some like maintenance requirements, the most thing like you need to check is the air chiller, I think. Air chiller and also the protective lens for the fiber laser. So for the water chiller, you have to refill and also to make it meet the grain level we have showed you before. And also during the winter, you can add some refrigerator to avoid that the machine will froze out. And also for the protective lens, we'll show you later after we doing all the cutting and the engraving jobs. Okay, it's done.
Okay, now it's finished.
And let's check out the result.
Oh, it's the job done.
Ah, 这样才是。
Okay, this is engraving and cutting. And for the parameter, we can adjust many times to get the best result, you think.
Yeah, I think it's pretty good. And, and now we can switch to the filter mode.
Okay. I think I take off the compressor, much noise.
Okay, we don't need it anymore. So let's start by open or not.
No,
Not open.
not open is the second step.
Okay.
Firstly, we need to choose the different laser source. Just now we using the fiber laser. Now we want to use the CO2 laser.
Yeah, you change the power source, the laser source first, and then you open new file.
Yes, it's very easy. Just to click, just to choose different laser source, and we can use different laser source. And for the carting, CO2 laser carting, the process is same as the fiber laser.
I think we can use the same graphic for testing.
Yeah, okay. And we use the same.
We use the same one. And
this is also selected on, and we must select it.
And also import parameters. Next step.
Yeah, next step, parameters. And now here we also have the parameter in your USB disk. And
yeah, for the CO2 laser.
Yeah, just import here. And this one, cutting parameters CO2, and now we want to cut the wall, and the thickness is 3 millimeter. Just select it. This is the material and the thickness, and this is the air, because CO2 laser only air. Yeah. Only using the air. So just open.
So you can see the gas channel is actually changed to high air.
Yes.
It doesn't mean means the compressor from the air compressor is generated from the air pump.
Yes, air pump inside of the machine. Yes. And this parameter gets the parameter. Just click OK. And now we can test.
Can test the cutting.
Yes.
By the CO2 laser.
Yes.
Let's move it to move the CO2 laser head to above the plywood board.
Yes. Before cutting, we need to adjust the cutting head, the height. Actually, we need to. That means we must get the correct focus position. There is one focus lens inside, and we want to get the most powerful port here on the material.
Yeah.
So we need to adjust the height. But how to adjust? We have this tooling. This meter means like this.
Yeah, you fix it when this
Yeah.
lower edge. Yeah. So fix like this. One end means the material surface, the other end means the upper of the, I think it's a
Yes.
ceramical
Yeah.
ring or the right ring.
Yes. That means this 66. That means the focus eye is 66 millimeter. So how to adjust? As what I did just now, like this. From here and the other end touch the plant and tighten this screw.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is already good. And do we need to calibrate again?
No. For the CO2 laser cutting, we don't need to calibrate.
So for the calibration, it's only for fiber laser,
Yes.
as we have just mentioned.
Yes.
I think like for this one, we just need to test the air and also the frame.
Yes. Test the air. We just now we forget it. You can feel. Come here. Yes. The parameter setting just now I forget this one, and this one the gas control, because this is CO2 leader. We need to choose high air. It's okay. And now we back to the machine, and we can test the gas. Can you see that? Can you hear?
So it's different sound.
Yes.
So it's not as like loud as the nitrogen or the oxygen. The sound is a little bit like
Yes.
yeah.
This is from the air pump.
Yeah.
It's a smaller air pump inside,
Yeah.
and it supplies the compressor air for CO2 leader cutting.
Yeah, it's you can easily tell that from the sound. So okay, now let's start framing.
Yes, frame.
Okay.
Okay, I changed the position. I want to save the material.
Right. Maybe left. Okay. Maybe move left a little bit.
Yeah. Okay, now we can just click start. You see?
Okay, so you will see the smoke, and this is when we turn on the fine power. Okay, and now.
Now we get this part. Oh,
oh, it's fall off. So we don't need to take it. It's already.
Let me do it.
Yeah, it's fall off. Very clean cut.
Okay, next step.
Go to the CO2 engraving. I think I start by doing a different picture. I think.
Okay.
So it's a different function here from the start menu.
Okay, for CO2 laser engraving, we can do as we did just now, fiber laser.
Yeah.
We can engraving like stringless on the stringless, but you want to different drawing like a picture.
Yeah.
Now we can get the picture. We can engrave the picture.
Yeah. For fiber laser, you can also process the picture over here, right?
No. Here. See here.
Yeah, 闭麦.
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
So sorry. For different material, you can get this function, and different stone, metal, welding, something.
Yeah. For two laser source, you can all use this bitmap function to transform the GPG and the PNG format into like G code.
Yes, just here, open the drawing you want. Here we can select all, and now we get, we have the picture, this one, I think is okay. Now you can get this picture.
Yeah.
And you can get the size of the picture, and just click get the G code. Now we get the G code success. Now we get this one, and I delete this one. Then before engraving, we need to add it again. Select it. Here you see engraving.
Yeah.
It's same as the Fiblaser engraving. The parameter is same. It's okay. And just click OK.
I will transform into this kind of like format,
Uh,
like with shadows.
uh,
Okay. So about the parameter.
By now, we just get the drawing, and the next step we need to get the parameters.
Yeah.
The parameters since engraving and more speed, we can get the 30 enough, I think, and the 28 enough also, and just reduce the power percent. This is 130 or
Yeah, 130. So
yes.
you're using a small power to engrave.
Yes. Now we want to engrave on the word, so we can reduce to 8. We can test.
We can test. If it's not ideal or you want it deeper, you can increase it.
Yes. The ghost type same as we need to choose the high air. That means get the compression air from the air pump inside of the machine.
Yeah.
Okay, this parameter is okay, and just click. Or you can import your parameter here, because we have the parameter already in your USB disk.
Yes.
Now this is steel cutting parameter and the CO2, and the material wood, and thickness is 3 millimeter. Okay, just select it and open. Okay, now we get the parameter. Just click OK. And because this is selected, this item is on, so we need to select it before engraving.
So now we can use a remote to control and to frame it and to start a project.
Before cutting or engraving, we do frame. Okay, and test the air. It's okay. Frame below, gas is okay, and just the star. Okay, so sorry. Let me check the parameter again.
Okay. The parameter is 2. We need to like lower down the power a little bit. For CO2 laser, it's very easy to adjust because it's operating at a fixed height. So you only need to adjust a little bit about the height or the power.
Okay.
And you can move to a clean area to redo the frame.
Okay. Gas is okay. Oh.
Yeah, this is good. All right, so we're gonna wait for this to finish the engraving, and about this time, I think we're gonna check the comment and see what questions you have got.
It will take about two minutes. For the parameters, I think I want to explain. So every time you before engraving or cutting, you can confirm the parameter. As just what I did, I get the wrong parameters, so you can test first and save again.
Yes. So a silver laser, the power isn't very like it's the most important factor, and also you don't have to adjust other things. You don't need to like do the shutter or do the calibration. It's relatively easy to operate compared with the fiber laser. Okay, for the next, I see you guys talk about the handheld operation. So that's something we're gonna finish this engraving project, and then we're gonna change to the handheld operation mode.
Okay.
And before that, we'll show you where to replace the protective lens for the fiber laser.
Okay.
So if you have some problems for like the power isn't as strong as what you have used to be, you need to first check the lens whether it's clean or it's damaged. If it's clean, it's that it's not damaged and it's good. Otherwise, you need to replace it. No, usually after replacing, the power will restore.
Okay, now we finished the engraving or the wording.
Okay, it's now.
Let me. This is the result.
Okay, this is the result. Pretty good. Pretty good.
And then you can make a one card frame.
Yeah.
And you want a big size, you can change the size.
Remember, we only use like about 5% or 8% power. So
Yes, so
you
this
can,
this is 8%.
yeah, you could definitely use like a more power to achieve a deeper engraving result.
Yes, if you want to get the more dark,
Yeah.
and you can increase the power.
Yeah, or like multiple times.
Yes.
So next, as we have introduced, we'll show you how to replace the protective lens. I will get some tools over here.
Okay, because of the safety, I think I need to finish the CO2 laser.
Oh yeah,
We move this up
a little bit.
because this is too close to the working table.
Yeah, this is also a safety tips for you to use while you're operating.
Okay, let me introduce the protective lens. Based on the different cutting results, sometimes maybe we cannot get the perfect cutting result, or sometimes even we cannot cut it off. Now, the first thing we need to check the protective lens.
Yeah, here
How?
is where you can find it.
Yes, this is operation.
You will see a screw over here. It's very easy to notice that.
Yes, there is one screw just like this. Remove this screw. You can take the screw away directly. It's bad. Is sometimes it's too small, and sometimes maybe you lost it. So be careful. And just put it out. Put the frame out. Before put it out, we need the tape to protect the window.
Yeah.
Now you see this is the lens stage.
So this way there will be no dust entering into the window.
Yes, and if this is dirty, you just change a new one. It's very cheap. And if this is just some a little bit date,
Cracks
yeah,
on the lens.
on this, you can you can clean it. But my suggestion is change it,
Yeah.
change a new one directly.
Yeah.
This one is okay now.
Because like the material you are using in the metal sheet is much expensive than the protective lens. We don't want to risk it. Okay, then you screw on the drawer and then you finish the checkup steps. So what if you like laser power still hasn't restored, you will definitely need to seek for our engineer's help. We'll show. We also have some tutorials on how to do the dimming, like to adjust the focus. We have a very like a detailed tutorial on this, and you can find that on our YouTube channel. And we will show you how to do for both the CO2 and fiber laser dimming.
Yes, we have some videos and to show you how to operate in every detail.
Yeah, if you're still not sure, ask for our online service help. So next, I think we're gonna change from the handheld operation and take it out from the CNC machine.
Okay. Next step, let me show you how to take the cutting head out to the welding unit.
Yeah, how we gonna achieve this portable function? So
yes.
first, let's open the side panel over here.
Yes. Okay. Before taking it out, so we need to power this off. The same thing. This is off. Yes. For safety, we powered off like this. Now CNC machine off. We can do remove this one. Before remove this, I need to take the pipe out like this, and this cable. Remove this cable. Okay. And you can see this screw. We released this screw, and I adjusted this one. You can put it out now or just like this. Okay. Now we take it, remove this cutting head. It's the clamp back side. This is the fiber, so be careful.
So you don't want to bend it too much because it's optical fiber. If you bend too much, you will damage the.
Sometimes we need
lens.
other colleague to help us.
Yeah.
Two person is better to work.
So you will see there's some like some
Yes.
little tapes over here. They're easy to remove it. So remember, before this operation, always to power off the CNC machine and also the welding machine.
Okay, we take it out.
Okay, now we can close the panel.
Okay, now we back to the welding machine unit. Okay, before this.
And now we have to power on the machine and
Because the time is reason, we get another welding machine, but I must explain to how to
Yeah.
remove the cable from the CNC machine.
Okay.
Okay, follow me. And for this one, after take the cutting head out, you need to take this cable out and return it back to here. So this is very important. Just like this. Actually, we have already connected another welding machine. This is a single machine. This is nothing with the CNC machine again, right?
Yes.
So
We already
yeah,
setting up the electrical.
yes. Just now, from this cable is from CNC machine back to this point. This is the main power. This is to the wash feeder, and this is very important. Is PE. PE cable means earth ground. Okay, this pipe is from nitrogen tank. It is for welding gas. The welding gas, the pressure should be low, less than 2 bars. Okay, now.
Now we can power on the machine.
Yeah.
It's the same procedure we have introduced before. You just release the button and then turn on the key switch.
Yes, it's same. Okay, this dialog is for welding. Uh, Before welding, I want to show the cleaning first. This is 500 fast silent. Now we go to the cleaning mode. And for cleaning mode, we turn laser on, laser in.
Yeah, this is the parameter setting. Touch screen, so you can adjust the parameter very easily.
Yeah.
So you may notice that after we remove the laser head from the CNC bed, you actually move the CNC cutting module out of
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
It will look like so this. We can remove it for a minute. Yeah.
So, yes.
This is you can. So it will look like this.
Yes. And for cleaning mode, just put the PE cable, ground cable, like this.
Yeah, but before that, wear gloves
Yes, safety
and
first.
also safety glasses.
Yes. Sec 2.
Sec 2,
Spec.
okay.
Protection is very important for everyone. Don't forget it.
Do we have to adjust the pressure?
Open. We need to open the nitrogen.
Yeah, we have to
Yes.
change to the nitrogen.
Okay. This is already on. Already on. This device means the laser wise. Laser sport wide.
Width, so like the cleaning width of this.
Yes. You see here, every time we should put the switch on for 3 seconds, it will be on. That means we can do.
清洗完了焊接，要调那个气压吗？
Oh, sorry. This is the powerful power here. Power setting is here. We want more power. 80. Okay. Now this is off. We need to put it about 2 or 3 seconds. It is on. That means we can do that.
The result is really good. It's removes the dust layer and protect the and that doesn't damage the original like material. I think.
That's just now what my engineer colleague told me. You should be close to the surface.
Yeah.
That's why this is because the length, the focus, this is 150. So you need to put the distance about 150.
Okay.
And not too close, not too much away.
But
Okay.
like it's not like very fixed, but you can be a little bit flexible, but not too far away. Yeah. Okay. Now let's change to another mode. I see there's so many like nozzles and accessories over here. These are like different shapes.
Yes, now we finished the cleaning and now we want to go to the welding
Yeah.
unit. Before welding operation, I think we need to get this one back to the handle
Yeah.
welding gun.
As there's also some marks. Should we notice something?
Yes, this is the focus position also. That means this is the focus length here, and we want to get the most powerful spot on the plant, on the material.
Yes.
So it's just like this and put sometime zero. Okay, and
Yeah, sometimes I think it's plus 3.
three or yes,
Yeah.
yes. You are expert now. Three. Okay, tighten it and
Okay. Yeah, we have to attach the wear fade assembly on the on this section. So
yeah.
it will automatically fade while you are welding. But if you don't need this, it can also weld, but no. But it will be a different technique, I think, right? If you think the laser gun is too heavy to hold, you can also remove this part, right?
Yes. Oh. Okay.
Okay, this is how to assemble the rear fade module. So it's very easy.
Second, I want to change the nozzle, different nozzle. This is 1.6. This is a 1.2.
Yeah, which
It
is
depends on the diameter of the ones. This is 1.0, I think. This nozzle is 1.2. It is enough. We need to adjust the direction. It's once worse to here.
so this is how you adjust the focus and fix it. So
And we fix this.
remember the screws, you have to fix it. Or just have to hold it. Okay, I think it's tight already. Yeah.
Okay, now we're back to the operation dialog. Now we go to the welding mode. And now we get the welding mode. And you see here, it's less. We want to more. So it's menu. Just to press forward, forward. And you see, it's moving out. Now we can adjust the distance here.
Yeah.
Think back to the work table.
Okay. So we need to adjust the.
Yes, we need to adjust the distance. I want to put it this arrow, and we can get the exact position.
So here is for some like yeah. So you tighten the screws and the nuts, and then
We can adjust to here.
so this is for like to move the
Here.
to move here, right?
Yes.
So it will touch the nozzle edge, and then will be better.
No touch. This close to the nozzle is
Close
also
to it.
because if you touch the nozzle, and you can difficult to remove the nozzle. Okay.
Okay. And now we can start.
Yes, we can try.
Yeah. Now we can. This is like a carbon steel, I think.
Yes, before welding, we need the correct parameter.
Yeah.
This is dialog for parameter. In this here, we have the different parameter already in this machine. And based on the different thickness, you can choose the different material, and different thickness, we can get the parameter here. And this one, I think 3. And the carbon steel. And now we get the parameter. Just click OK. Now we get the parameter here. Now this is wise means the laser sport, how to say this?
This sport waste.
Yes, and 4.5 is too much, I think. 2.5 is okay. And bed lines on, laser able on, and fader on. Fader on before on, we need to change to O2 mode. So on.
Okay.
Okay, now.
You can check this parameter and then take the wear the glasses, start working.
This earth ground cable is very important.
You just like clamp it onto the metal, right?
Yes.
The metal board, yeah.
Now 3 seconds.
You wait for the green light to turn on before you start welding. So press the button, and for like 3 seconds, the green light will on, and then you can start. So this is a welding
For safety,
effect.
yes, for safety,
Yeah.
after welding, we take the earth ground off.
Yeah, this is the welding result, pretty good.
Not pretty good. It's okay.
I think it's very good.
I didn't take breakfast. Okay, this is just an example. If you want to get the perfect result, you can contact with our service team. We'll adjust the parameters for you.
But I think this is pretty like solid already. For like if you like crush it, it won't like break, right?
So the result is okay.
Yeah. So, and this is for the welding. Let's check about the cutting. Next.
Cutting. We need different. We need to different.
Yeah, we'll change the nozzle and also remove the wear feed assembly, right?
Yes, And for cutting, we need to change the nozzle.
So there's two cutting nozzles over here.
No, not that one.
This is for like a double layer,
This-
so it's definitely not for this.
No, yes. It's different with the fiber leader cutting. This
Yeah.
is for the leader cutting. This is for the welding unit cutting.
Yeah, this is for
one.
CNC cutting, and for a handheld cutting, it's a different nozzle.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I think I remove this one. It's better to operate.
Okay. We'll cut this one. This sounds like a already cut samples we from the CNC machine. We'll use handheld to cut it like this.
Okay, let me try. But before cutting, we need to adjust the gas pressure. Okay, now we change the nozzle. This is the nozzle for handle cutting, and it's same as the welding. We need a square cable like this.
You just clip it into the metal board, and then you place it over here.
But many painting here, I think we can take care like this directly. But this mode more careful because if you put here and the laser out directly. So before confirm the parameter, I think like this is better. And back to the for the handle cutting, actually we just increase the power to 100. And the Y's change to 0. Okay, everything on and leader in table. We don't use the fader, so this is off. Before cutting, we must confirm the
The gas.
pressure.
Yeah,
Yes,
the pressure. You
pressure.
have to raise up the pressure a little bit. Yeah, we've
yes.
already set it up.
Yes. Okay, let me do it. I hope it's working. Three seconds. No.
Yeah, you have to. I think you have to raise the power a little bit. Yeah, and maybe slow down the speed. I think when they are
Yes,
doing the cutting, we usually use a very slow speed, not compared with welding.
yes, it's based on the experience. Maybe I need my colleague help. Huh?
Yeah, I think the parameter isn't very good.
Let me try again.
You want to try this parameter again? Okay. I think it's a parameters problem. You should adjust it a little bit, or use a relatively slow movement. Usually we just like
We change the focus position. The focus position is 3. You do that?
So this time we're gonna use we're gonna find another. We're gonna use the same piece or this one. We're gonna use this one.
This one.
So the focal length for the welding and the cutting is different. Yeah, the power is too strong. It's burned the edges a little bit. Yeah. Okay. This is
For the
something-
welding machine, I think cutting we can do some little bit parts in your site, but
Yeah, major drawing isn't very like professional about
yes,
like
because
handle the
you
operation because you designed the machine, but you didn't like use the welding function much. You only test
many
the
elements
software.
affect the cutting results. Maybe this morning I didn't take the breakfast. My hands shake like this, and sometimes seriously, you need to adjust the power. Just now we used 100% power, and some for this thickness, maybe we can reduce the power to 19% to try again. And I think we need time to adjust the parameters.
Yeah.
We don't have the fixed parameter for handle karting.
Yeah.
And for the CNC karting, no problem. If you can finish the karting in CNC machine, do it in the CNC machine.
Yeah.
If you just want to cut it off, and you can try
Yeah.
with the handle machine.
So we want to show you the real like experience when you first receive machine. So we didn't like use this new welder much. So when you first receive it, we don't have like we only have like a reference table for you, but for actual material and depending on the thickness and the material type, you have to adjust it a little bit according to the actual condition.
Yes, and remember what's in the parameter, just the sports wise change to 0. And the power increased to 100% to test. And the pressure, gas pressure, more than 5 bars
Yeah.
to test. If we cannot get the better result, we can increase the gas pressure to 6 or 8 to try again.
Yeah. But this time we don't have much time to adjust it and test it for you. But definitely it can achieve karting as we have shown you before. That is also a live like
Okay.
showing.
Okay,
live
I
streaming.
think for this handle karting problem, you can ask our team online.
Yeah.
We have time to adjust again.
So we have showed you like lots of like operation and both the hand operation and the sensing operation, including also some maintenance tips and troubleshooting tips. So next, I think before we wrap up this live stream, we're gonna do the lucky draw games. Okay.
Okay.
We're like gonna select who's gonna win our 1,200 watt welding machine. Okay. Let's get the welder. Let's get the wheel out. You can now see from your screen, there are like tons of participants who are in this game. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna count down 3 numbers and we're gonna start spinning the wheel and then let it stop, all right?
Together?
Together.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, ready?
Okay. 3, 2,
2,
1, go.
go. Okay, congratulations, GSHA. Please, if you are here watching the live stream, please contact us within 7 working days and to claim your rewards. And thank you so much for joining our lucky draw game and watching today's live session. Later, and we will have a second live training session. It will be a more advanced training session, more about like the advanced operations in the software, including the fly cutting, the command line cutting, and also some like nesting. I think most of you are very concerned about how to do the advanced functions. Yeah, if you have like a basic knowledge already, so this is something like you care about, definitely stay tuned to our channel and we will do the second section. And also we will show you the rotary, how to do the rotary engraving next time, right?
Okay. Next time, when you get the machine, if you urgent, you want to use it urgently, and you also can contact with our after-sales service team, and we will share some documents to you and show you, guide you to how to install it, how to use the software online.
Yes. We have lots of materials and documents for you to check. And so thank you all for watching our live training session, and we'll see you next time.
See you.
Bye bye.你不是结了吗？
Metal and weld? Now Gweike launches the world's first M-Series 6-in-1 laser system. One machine, 6 functions. 1,200 watt CNC fiber laser cutting effortlessly cuts various metal materials. Cuts up to 10 millimeters carbon steel and 6 millimeters stainless steel. Precision up to 0.02 millimeters. Precision processing, just the way you want it. One-click nesting plus shared edge cutting. Boosts efficiency by 70%. Automatic edge finder. Intelligent flowing cutting. Micro jointing. Adjustable lift platform plus rotary attachment. Extra thick materials and cylinder pipe processing. Pass-through design. Handles full-size sheets up to 54-inch width for complete processing. Autonomous obstacle avoidance for safer operation. Modular design. Easy to operate and user-friendly. Fiber laser welding. Aerospace grade 0.1 millimeters weld seam technology. Over 5 times faster than traditional TIG welding. Safe and strong welding even underwater. Clean, strong welds with high efficiency. Fiber laser clean. Efficiently removes grease and oxidation from metal surfaces. Handheld fiber laser cutting. Tackles complex cutting environments with ease. 130 watts carbon dioxide laser for non-metal cutting. Cuts up to 25 millimeters. Ideal for wood, leather, acrylic, and more. Seamless fusion of creativity and function. Carbon dioxide laser engraving. Unlock boundless creativity with powerful engraving. Small footprint, big capabilities, perfect for tight spaces. Gweike M-Series 6-in-1 laser system. All you need, no extra feed. Is there a CNC machine that can cut metal, cut non-metal, and weld? Now Gweike launches the world's first M-Series 6-in-1 laser system. One machine, 6 functions. 1,200 watt CNC fiber laser cutting effortlessly cuts various metal materials. Cuts up to 10 millimeters carbon steel and 6 millimeters stainless steel.